Hi everyone, Brian here. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Black Shoe Digital, and thanks for joining us today. The topic is going to be process and building a foundation. So let me start with this. Not everyone is our perfect match, and we're definitely not right for everyone either. So this is why we objectively evaluate and follow a data-driven process. Before contacting a company, our team researches dozens of companies monthly. We came to you for a reason. The results of our research show a very high probability of success. Now, with the go-to-market process briefly discussed, let's move on to the foundation. Number one, introductions, confidentiality. Could we be right for one another? Step two, goals. Understand budgets, collect and verify data. Number three, discovery. We'll review an audit, we'll discuss investments, and we'll also discuss solutioning. Number four, review the statement of work. We'll do some right sizing, repurpose ineffective spends. And number five, we'll do a sign off on the SOW and implement strategy. So from the very start of our first project, we'll meet monthly, review reports, and when needed, we'll call audibles. Adjust the strategy to accomplish your goal, not ours. We know that our focus must always be on the client, and we both succeed. So the next episode is going to be about methodology. And then finally, we're going to get into some fun stuff. So see you next time. Have a great one. Bye-bye.